And I just wanted to give both of you a chance to share what impact you would say that attending has made on you, your marriage, and how you do business.
I think it made an impact on us personally and our relationship, as well as on our business and how we work with other people. We learned a great deal about communication, we learned a great deal about ourselves, and we learned that this program can serve many, many, many people, and therefore we're sharing it with everybody we can.
And Nicki, what is it that makes you say that? Because you've been to lots of courses, lots of learning. What is it about this that makes it so special from your perspective?
It takes it to a different level. It takes it to a deeper level, and into the heart, into the feelings, into the background, into history, things that lots of people don't want to bring forward because it's easier to bury them. And what I witnessed was people bringing those out in front and dealing with them.
Well, for me, it was more of when I discovered what was holding me back for, many years. I realized that I was holding back a whole lot of loving that could have been expressed more deeply to my family, to my wife, to my children, and most importantly, it brought me to a stable, much more stable situation in my life, where my relationships with my particularly my son, because I really love my son, and it brought me back to when he was a child, asking me to play ball with him. And in those early times, I was really, really busy, and that really, I lost a lot of that relationship with him at that early stage in my life, and so discovering that, I was able to be more open with him, and matter of fact, he has invited me on his sailboat to do things with him, and I really appreciate going through that course, because when I was younger, it was all about me, and what I discovered was, boy, it isn't anything about me. It's all about who I love. So, and the course had really opened my eyes and really brought me to the attention that, boy, if I don't make a switch in my life, I'll probably be hurting a whole lot more people.
So as you talk to people and you're saying to them, what's the value of coming? What would you say to people that are listening to you and they're deciding whether or not to come or not? What would you tell them?
I would tell them, when you come to this course, play full out. Do not hesitate, do not hold, because the holding pattern that we normally go into is, don't procrastinate, go for it. Because you'll find something that you never would discover otherwise if you don't give it all.
There's something there for everyone. Doesn't matter how perfect you think your life is, or how together your life is, or how you believe your life is so wonderful. There are things there that you may have buried so deeply for so long that you don't realize what that sense of relief is once you let that go.